But first, we got to take care of this. So let's take these flat face couplers off and let's get some new ones put on because those leak. You can rebuild these, but I buy parts from a company called FridayParts, and I asked them if they would send me new ones, and they did. I'm telling you, if you don't use FridayParts, yeah, go check them out, FridayParts.com. They have excellent prices. Okay, let's put on the hoses and crank it up and see if she leaks. Let's check for leaks, shall we? Nothing there. I think she's good. I think she's fixed.